Hello everyone, welcome to SR Tech Lab. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive using Rufus. This is one of the most popular tools used by IT professionals because it's fast, reliable, and gives you more control over the installation process. By the end of this video, you'll have a bootable USB that you can use to install or reinstall Windows 11 on your computer. Let's get started. Before we begin, you'll need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage, a Windows 11 ISO file, the latest version of Rufus, a Windows computer. Creating a bootable USB will erase everything on the USB drive, so make sure you back up any important files before continuing. Step 1. Open Rufus. The software will automatically detect your USB drive. If you have more than one USB drive connected, make sure you select the correct one. Windows ISO. Click the Select button. Browse to the location where you saved the Windows 11 ISO file. Select the ISO and click Open. Rufus will automatically load the image. You'll see an option called Image Option. Leave it as standard Windows installation. This is the correct option for installing Windows normally. Step 4. Partition Scheme. Now let's talk about the partition scheme. There are two options. GPT is recommended for modern computers that use UEFI firmware. Most computers manufactured in recent years use GPT. MBR is used for older computers that boot in legacy BIOS mode. For this tutorial, I'm selecting GPT, which is the recommended option for Windows 11 on modern PCs. Step 5. Target System. The target system changes automatically based on your partition scheme. If you selected GPT, it will show UEFI. There's nothing you need to change here. Step 6. File System and Cluster Size. Leave the file system as NTFS. Also leave the cluster size at its default value. Rufus automatically chooses the best settings. Step 7. Start creating the bootable USB. Now click Start. Rufus will display the Windows user experience options. Let's go through each one. Remove the requirement for TPM 2.0, Secure Boot and RAM. I have selected this option. This allows Windows 11 to be installed on computers that don't meet Microsoft's minimum hardware requirements. If your PC already supports Windows 11 officially, you don't need this option. Remove the requirement for an online Microsoft account. I have also selected this option. This allows you to create a local account during Windows installation instead of signing in with a Microsoft account. Many users prefer this because it gives them more flexibility. Create a local account. I left this option unchecked. If you enable it, Rufus can automatically create a local user account during Windows setup. Set regional options. This option automatically applies your language, keyboard layout, and regional settings. I left this unchecked because I prefer configuring these settings manually during installation, data collection. This option skips some of the privacy questions during Windows setup. I also left this unchecked. Rufus will now format the USB drive and copy the Windows installation files. This process may take several minutes depending on the speed of your USB drive in your computer. Please wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. Once the status changes to Ready, your Windows 11 bootable USB is complete. Click Close and safely eject the USB drive. Your bootable USB is now ready to install Windows 11. That's it. You have successfully created a Windows 11 bootable USB drive using Rufus. In my next video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 from this bootable USB, including how to boot from the USB drive, configure BIOS or UEFI settings, create partitions, and complete the Windows installation step by step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SR Tech Lab, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future IT tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.